The Great Blue Hole is a large marine sinkhole off the coast of Belize. It lies near the center of Lighthouse Reef, a small atoll 70 kilometers from the mainland and Belize City. The hole is circular in shape, 318 meters across and 124 meters deep. It has a surface area of 70,650 square meters. It was formed during several phases of the Quaternary glaciation when sea levels were much lower. Analysis of stalactites found in the Great Blue Hole shows that formation took place 153,000, 66,000, 60,000, and 15,000 years ago. As the ocean began to rise again, the cave was flooded. The Great Blue Hole is part of a larger Belize Barrier Reef Reserve System. The site was made famous by Jacques Cousteau, who declared it one of the top 5 scuba diving sites in the world. In 1971, he brought his ship, the Calypso, to the hole to chart its depths. Investigations by this expedition confirmed the hole's origin as typical karst limestone formations formed before rises in the sea level in at least 4 stages, leaving ledges at depths of 21 meters, 49 meters, and 91 meters. Stalactites were retrieved from submerged cave, confirming their previous formation above sea level. Some of these stalactites were also off vertical by 5 degrees in a consistent orientation, indicating that there had been some past geological shift and tilting of the underlying plateau, followed by a long period in the current plane. The tilt indicates that this was movement of the land rather than a rise in sea level alone. The initial measured depth of the Great Blue Hole was about 125 meters, which is the most often cited depth up to this day. An expedition was conducted in the summer of 1997 to collect core samples from the Blue Hole's floor and document the cave system. To accomplish these tasks, all of the divers had to be certified in cave diving and mixed gases. In December 2018, 2 submarines descended into the Blue Hole in an attempt to map its interior. Using sonar scanning, the team was nearly able to complete a 3D map of the 1,000-foot wide hole. One of their discoveries was a layer of hydrogen sulfide at a depth of approximately 300 feet. The water at that depth and below becomes dark, anoxic, and devoid of life. The submarine expedition also discovered the bodies of 2 divers at the bottom, out of 3 believed to have gone missing while diving there, and reported them to Belizean authorities. Out of respect, the crew declined to bring the bodies back to land, thus leaving them buried at sea.